Okay, so the Spanish omelette is ready to serve. I hope you like our video and try to make this. It's you can adjust the spices as per your taste, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, and please share our videos.
When my mom just picked it up with the knife and showed it, the colors exploded out and it looked so tasty. And I tried and it's so yummy.
Hello viewers, welcome back to Soft Canvas. Thank you for joining us today. If you are new here, please watch our videos and subscribe our channel. And we are making Spanish omelette today. It is a very good food for your lunch or dinner or even for snack. So for that, without getting any further detail, I'm putting like 2.5 cups of cooking oil. Be generous. You can use this cooking oil later on because I need to fry potatoes. So I will fry 2 medium-sized potatoes on a high flame, and you see that this small size. So the oil is already really warm. I'm going to put it in. And here I have taken 1 medium-sized onion, chopped roughly, and I'll add it with the potato. So we shall gonna fry this until golden brown color, and then we will take it out. So while this is frying, I'm going to put half a teaspoon of salt or to taste. Just stir it a little bit. Okay, so you see that potato is now golden brown in color and it's time to take it out. Okay, so I have fried potatoes. This is still really very hot. So I'm gonna put it aside and then prepare the rest of the ingredients. So here I have taken 6 eggs that I'm gonna use this hand beater and then beat this. And gradually I'll put rest of the ingredients like half a teaspoon of salt, red and green bell pepper, fresh coriander leaves, fresh tomatoes, and green chilies. So let me first beat this egg first, and then I'll add rest of those one after another. This Spanish omelette is good for your snack or for even breakfast because it is healthy. It has potatoes, it has eggs and other ingredients that is good for breakfast as well. So I'm going to add rest of the ingredients. So now I'm gonna add these mixed eggs and with others ingredients along with the fried potato. Okay, so I have here 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and I'm gonna put on a high temperature. I'm gonna put half of the mix at first. After about 1 minute, I'm gonna lower the temperature to medium so that it cook inside really well. And in the meantime, I have taken here some cheese, put and spread all over. And then the leftover mixture, I'm going to pour it evenly just to cover cheese. So the inside is going to be cheesy, the outside is with vegetable and egg. And you can cover it for around 2 to 3 minutes on a medium temperature, of course. So it's after about 3 minutes, and I'm going to flip it to the other side, and I will use this plate and I will put it on top and then flip it too, like this. And then we have to slide it down to cook the other side and cover it for another 3 to 4 minutes. So after 3 to 4 minutes, if you want, you can flip the other side one more time and then for about maybe 1 minute. But if you feel like it's cooked really well, then you don't have to. I'm going to pour a fork and then it's come out clean. So I think it's cooked really well inside. I don't see it's raw anywhere. But if you need to, you can flip one more time. And then it's ready to go. And I'm gonna put it on a serving plate. Okay, so the Spanish omelette is ready to serve. I hope you like our video and try to make this. It's you can adjust the spices as per your taste, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.
When my mom just picked it up with the knife and showed it, the colors exploded out and it looked so tasty. And I tried and it's so yummy.